When it comes to finding the best interior designers in Bhopal, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd stands out as a top choice. With their expertise and experience in the field of interior design, they have earned a reputation for delivering exceptional results. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is known for their creative and innovative approach to designing spaces that reflect the unique style and preferences of their clients. With a team of talented and skilled designers, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has the ability to transform any space into a beautiful and functional environment. They understand that each client has different needs and requirements, and they strive to create designs that not only meet those needs, but exceed expectations. Their attention to detail and commitment to quality ensure that every project they undertake is completed to the highest standards. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd offers a wide range of interior design services, including residential, commercial, and hospitality design. Whether it's a home, office, or hotel, their team has the expertise to create stunning interiors that are both aesthetically pleasing and practical. From concept development to final execution, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd works closely with their clients to ensure that every aspect of the design is carefully considered. What sets Scon Design India Pvt Ltd apart from other interior designers in Bhopal is their commitment to customer satisfaction. They prioritize open communication with their clients throughout the entire design process, ensuring that their vision is brought to life. In conclusion, if you are in search of highly skilled and creative interior designers in Bhopal, look no further than Scon Design India Pvt Ltd. Their expertise, attention to detail, and commitment to customer satisfaction make them the top choice for all your interior design needs. Contact Scon Design India Pvt Ltd today to discuss your project and turn your vision into reality. If you are looking for interior designers in Bhopal, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is a reputable and trustworthy choice. With their expertise in interior design, they offer a wide range of services to cater to various needs and preferences. Whether it is residential or commercial projects, their team of experienced designers ensures that each space is transformed into an aesthetically pleasing and functional environment. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has gained a solid reputation for their innovative and creative approach to interior design. Their team of skilled professionals works closely with clients to understand their vision and requirements. They take into consideration factors such as the available space, budget, and personal preferences to create customized designs that reflect the client's personality and style. One of the key strengths of Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is their attention to detail. They believe that every element in a space contributes